The planet Jupiter, the gas giant, does not revolve around the Sun after all. The gas giant does not revolve around our Sun. Forget everything you knew about space in our solar system. The data as far as the planets are concerned are changing, with scientists being led to the conclusion that, after all, what we knew about the rotation of some planets around the Sun is probably not correct. The planet Jupiter, the fifth planet in order of our solar system starting from the Sun, is not just the largest planet. It is a huge planet of such a size that it does not actually revolve around the Sun. It is a gas giant with a mass a little less than 1,000th of the Sun, but 2.5 times greater than the sum of the mass of the rest of the planets in the solar system. This fact has the consequence that the center of gravity between Jupiter and the Sun is not inside the Sun, but at a point in space just above the surface of the brightest celestial body. As IFL science explains, when a small object orbits a large object in space, the one with the smaller mass does not necessarily cancel a perfect rotation around the large one, but both rotate with a combined center of gravity. In cases known to astronomers, such as the Earth revolving around its much larger Sun, the center of gravity is so close to the center of the larger object that the effect of this effect is negligible. The larger object appears stationary while the smaller one traces a circle around it. But the reality is more complicated. For example, when the International Space Station, the ISS, revolves around the Earth, both our planet and the ISS revolve around their common center of gravity, which is so close to the center of the Earth, which makes it impossible to detect the planet's motion around that particular point, while at the same time the ISS traces an almost perfect rotation around the entire planet Earth. The same seems to be the case with most of the planets orbiting the Sun, which is so much larger than Earth, Venus, Mercury, and Saturn. But not with Jupiter, the gas giant whose center of mass is essentially 1.07 solar radii from the center of the Sun, or 7% of the solar radius above the surface of the Sun. This is also the point in space around which both the Sun and Jupiter revolve. It's noted that Jupiter rotates very quickly around its axis, in about 10 hours, faster than all planets. To be precise, it rotates in 9 hours and 51 minutes. At this rate of rotation, Jupiter, which is made primarily of hydrogen gas, is dilated by 1/15th. The time it takes for one revolution around the Sun is about 12 Earth years, 11 years and 315 Earth days. The mystery of Jupiter is trying to be solved by NASA's Juno mission. So we still have a lot to learn concerning Jupiter. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.